Mark Klimek Lecture 2, Ventilators and Alarms. Focus, be a USRN, believe in yourself, pray, and have faith in God. Ventilators. Know the alarms or alarm system. Know how blood gases articulate with ventilators. Ventilators. High pressure alarm. It is triggered by increased resistance to airflow. The machine is having to push too hard to get air into the lungs. There is resistance. High pressure alarm can be caused by 3 obstructions. First, kink tube. Second, water in tube. Third, mucus in airway. In a kink tube, you need to unkink the tube. If there is water in tube, you need to empty the tube. If there is mucus in airway, you need to turn the patient, instruct the patient to cough and deep breath before you do suctioning. In suctioning, the more you do it, there's more secretion. So just do suctioning when necessary. Better do positioning. Turn the patient, tell the patient to cough, and do deep breathing. In a click and drag question, what are you going to do first if the high pressure alarm goes off? First, you need to check for kinks, so you need to unkink it. Second, empty water out of tubing. Third, turn the patient, cough, and deep breath. 4. Suction. Low pressure alarm is triggered by decreased resistance to airflow and can be caused by disconnections. Low pressure alarm can be caused by disconnections of the first tubing, second oxygen sensor tube. Oxygen sensor tube senses FiO2. It's a black coated wire. So for the tubing, you need to reconnect it. And for the oxygen sensor tube, reconnect it unless the tube is on the floor. Bag them and call RT if this happens. So in simple words, high pressure alarm is due to obstruction and low pressure alarm is due to disconnection. Acid-base disorders. Respiratory alkalosis means ventilator settings may be too high and it's over-ventilating. Pay attention to the word alkalosis. Alkalosis means high pH, too high. Over-ventilating. And the next one is respiratory acidosis. Acidosis means the ventilator settings may be too low. Acidosis, low pH or decreased pH. And it is also considered as under-ventilating. Sample question. The doctor says wean off vent in AM. The 6 AM ABGs show respiratory acidosis. What would you do? A. Follow order. B. Call MD and hold order. C. Call RT or the respiratory therapist. D. Begin to decrease settings. The correct answer is letter B. Call MD and hold order. Because the patient is not able to breathe without the ventilator and the settings are too low. The patient should be in respiratory alkalosis, not respiratory acidosis. And also, never pick an answer where you don't do something, then somebody else does, like the RT, just like the letter C. That's it for today. Thank you for reviewing with me. Let us pass the Nclex together, trust and have faith on God. Let us do our best and God will do the rest. We can do it. Goldman, USRN. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.